Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can unpair Apple Watch from your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, you'll have to open the Watch application, which is by default on your phone. You need this application in order to pair your Apple Watch with. So simply open the application, and from here you can see this is my Apple Watch. And then in here you can get the option of all watches, tap on it. And then from here you can see this option, tap on it. And from here, scroll down, you can see the option of Unpair Apple Watch. Tap on Unpair Apple Watch and then tap on Unpair one more time. After doing that, you'll need to now enter the passcode of your Apple ID. So after entering a passcode, here you can see now your Apple Watch is being unpaired, and it will also load on your Apple Watch just like this. And just like this, within few minutes, here you can see we have now successfully unpaired our Apple Watch with our iPhone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.